In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an A3 sized page in Canva from scratch. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account, and once you log in, you will likely either end up on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now from here, navigate over to the left-hand column and click on create. Once you click on create, you will have a list of options to pick from. So in the navigate to the search bar, and in the search bar, type in A3 and hit enter. Now, once you do that, you will be presented with different A3 formats that you can use, ranging from a portrait document to a landscape document and different types of documents, whether it's for a CV, a regular document, a poster, or an Instagram post. So you want to click on A3 portrait, this document, for design reasons, because if you click on this, it's going to open Canva docs unless that's what you're trying to create. So simply click on document A3 portrait, and you will have your A3 page open in a new tab in the Canva editor. So now you can edit your page as you wish, and you can also rename it to whatever you would like. And that is how you create an A3 page in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or if you had any issues along the way, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.